before Jon Moxley put him out of action.
Yeah, for 141 days. It happened at Full Gear this past November.
Was just 24 hours ago, Tony, that these three men defeated Speedball Mike Bailey, the Jet Kevin Knight, and Mystico to win the AEW World Trios Championship. And obviously a vulgar display.
They're disgusting.
By the champions. But these three men are incredibly dangerous individuals.
Kyle O'Reilly, guys, was on the best run of his career the last time we saw him. Then it got curtailed like we talked about. The Violent Artist returns home, and you can better believe he's pumped up. Let's just hope he is prepared to go. 141 days, long time to be off.
Long time to be off, and this is a dangerous trio to come back to wrestle first. I mean, Gabe Kidd.
Just staring daggers at our broadcast colleague, Brian Danielson, while Clark Connors and David Finlay pace their way around the ring. And Brian, much like yourself, Kyle O'Reilly has struggled through neck injuries in his career.